Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. We have another unboxing and I hope you like this one. I just opened it now because the information is still on the envelope and I just don't want to see, of course, personal stuff like addresses and phone numbers of me and of course the one who sold me. So just protecting uh, ourselves. It's like for privacy. Anyway, it's the coin we're gonna be looking at. So here we go. We have two coins, two old coins. I think because I bought a few more coins, and so this is two of them. But there'll be more coming. And of course I like old coins, so it will be old coins mostly. More than 100 years old is the one that I collect mostly, and I don't mind copper, or of course it will be great if it's silver, but it will be more expensive. But I don't mind as long as it's old. So this is a Japanese coin. It's 1 cent. We can see here the dragon and see the design. It's just very hard to read because I don't I don't speak or know the Japanese language, but it is a 1 cent, and probably from 18 let's say 1880s, I think, or late 1800. And this one is a small one. I bought this one because I don't know if I don't think I have this one. And this is a half kopeck from Russia. As you can see, it's very small. It's from 1899, and it is from the reign of course, Tsar Nicholas II, the last Tsar. So it is very small, as you can see. I don't think I have this half kopecks, but now I have one. I think it's from the St. Petersburg Mint as well. So yeah, nice two coins. Both are old, and that's the way. That's the coins that I like. Thank you. I hope all you have. I hope all you all have a good day.